Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to the first video of the series Learn Sanskrit Through English. Now, before I start the lesson, let me tell you who this video series is for. I have made this series for people from all over the world who want to learn Sanskrit to understand the ancient roots of Indian culture, philosophy, and yoga. This series is also for those Indians who haven't had the chance to learn Sanskrit yet but want to connect with their heritage in a simple, practical way. In this series, I will not be teaching you too much grammar. Instead, I will be concentrating on teaching you how the language works. While I do need to teach you a few small concepts like what is a subject, what is an object or a verb, but that is about as far as we will go with formal grammar. I have made these lessons as simple as possible so that it is easy for you to understand the logic of the language without getting overwhelmed. Alright? It is up to you to watch these lessons and most importantly, practice them out loud on your own. If you have any doubts, you can get them cleared by a Sanskrit speaking scholar or a friend, or you can simply ask me in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer all of them. Alright? And remember that you can download the PDF materials of this video series from the link given in the description below. Okay? Having said that, let us start with our first lesson. In this lesson, we will learn to say sentences like these in Sanskrit. We will learn to introduce ourselves in Sanskrit. Alright? Now, the first person pronoun I in Sanskrit is aham. Aham. Okay? So, I is aham. Aham can be written like this or like this. Okay? Do not worry about the written part of the language for now. Am is asmi. Asmi in Sanskrit. Aham, asmi. Okay? In English, we follow the subject, verb, object order while framing sentences. For example, I am Ravi. In this sentence, I is the subject, am is the verb, and Ravi is the object. But in Sanskrit, we follow subject, object, verb order. So the words in Sanskrit would appear in this order. I, Ravi, am. Okay? Now, let us use these two words and frame a few sentences. I am Ranjit is aham Ranjit asmi. Aham Ranjit asmi. Aham is I. Ranjit is Ranjit. Asmi is am. Aham is I, the subject of this sentence. Ranjit is Ranjit, the object of this sentence. And Asmi is am, the verb of this sentence. So the verb comes at the end. Okay. I am John is Aham John Asmi. Aham John Asmi. Aham is I. John is John. Asmi is am. I am Shilpa. Aham Shilpa Asmi. Aham Shilpa Asmi. Aham is I. Shilpa is Shilpa. Asmi is am. Okay. Next. I am happy is Aham Sukhi Asmi. Aham Sukhi Asmi. Aham is I. Sukhi is happy. Asmi is am. I am sad is Aham Dukhi Asmi. Aham Dukhi Asmi. Aham is I. Dukhi is sad. Asmi is am. Now, I will teach you about adjectives in detail later in this series. But for now, just take these two words as the words for happy and sad. Okay. I am excited. Aham excited. Asmi. Aham excited. Asmi. Aham is I. Excited is the English word. Asmi is am. Okay. We have used the English word excited here. We have a word for excited in Sanskrit, but just to show you that we can use an English word in a sentence, as you are a beginner, I have used it here. Okay? As we progress, we will learn new words. But for now, this is enough. Okay? Next. I am here. Aham atra asmi. Aham atra asmi. Aham is I. Atra is here. Asmi is am. I am there is aham. Tatra asmi. Aham tatra asmi. Aham is I. Tatra is there. Asmi is am. Okay. Next, in Sanskrit, we do not have any equivalent words for articles. Okay. We do not use articles in Sanskrit. So, if you are a boy and if you want to say I am a boy, then you will have to say aham balakaha asmi. Aham balakaha asmi. Aham is I. Balakaha is boy. Asmi is am. Okay. There are no words for ye. If you are a girl and if you want to say I am a girl, then you will have to say aham balika asmi. Aham balika asmi. Aham is I. Balika is girl. Asmi is am. There is no word for ye. Okay. Let us frame a few more sentences. I am a teacher. Aham teacher asmi. Aham teacher asmi. Aham is I. Teacher is the English word teacher. Asmi is am. Okay. We have words for teacher, but for now, let us use the English word teacher itself. I am an engineer. Aham engineer asmi. Aham engineer asmi. Aham is I. Engineer is the English word engineer. Asmi is am. We have not used any word for ye and also an. I am an Indian. Aham Indian asmi. Aham Indian asmi. Aham is I. Indian is Indian. Asmi is am. I am an American. Aham American asmi. Aham American asmi. Aham is I. American is American. Asmi is am. Okay? Yes. Now, let us learn one more word, not. Not in Sanskrit is na. Na. Okay? I am not Anil is aham Anil na asmi. Aham Anil na asmi. Aham is I. Anil is Anil. Na is not. Asmi is am. The word for not, na, is placed before the verb. So in this sentence, asmi is the verb. So right before asmi, we place na. Okay. I am not a boy is aham balakaha na asmi. Aham balakaha na asmi. Aham is I. Balakaha is boy. Na is not. Asmi is am. Okay. I am not an Indian is aham Indian na asmi. Aham Indian na asmi. Aham is I. Indian is Indian. Na is not. Asmi is am. I am not a teacher. Aham teacher na asmi. Aham teacher na asmi. Aham is I. Teacher is teacher. Na is not. Asmi is am. Alright? Yes. So we have learned to introduce ourselves in this video using only 3 words. Right? I, am, and also not. So this is enough for this video. Now I have an exercise for you. I want you to frame these sentences by filling up these according to your details and comment them down below. Okay? And also comment down the reason you are learning Sanskrit. Alright? Yes. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.